Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make your own kefir grains from scratch. Begin by sterilizing a jar and gathering whole milk, a breathable cover, and patience for slow growth. Maintain steady temperature and feed the developing culture regularly to encourage granule formation. I will guide you through simple daily checks, how to strain and refresh the milk, and tips to avoid contamination while you watch your grains grow. Gather whole milk, a clean jar, breathable cloth, rubber band, and a fine strainer before you begin. If you have a splash of raw kefir or whey, it can act as a helpful starter to speed early development. Keep all items sanitized and work with fresh milk to reduce contamination risk. Prepare a warm spot for the jar and set a simple schedule for feeding and checking the culture every 24 to 48 hours. Warm the milk slightly and pour it into the sanitized jar, then cover with a breathable cloth secured by a rubber band. Place the jar where temperature stays about 20-25 degrees C and allow fermentation for 24 to 48 hours, checking for bubbles and slight tang. After the interval, gently strain any developing solids and transfer them to fresh milk to continue growth. Repeat this cycle, adjusting timing as cultures strengthen.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.